Mrs. Arora about it. Thank you, teacher. That was some memories. Well, from my personal front, I'm married, I have a husband. There are some 2-3 boyfriends which I would not like to tell over here. Because everybody was very clear that they had only one husband, they were not ready to tell about their boyfriend, which I know they do have. Yes, there is Pragnesh's dad also in the list. I have a daughter, she's 11 years old, she's in class 7 in St. Anne's High School. My husband is teaching in St. John's High School in the primary section as a music teacher. And I'm very happy for that because again I have a link with the school. I think St. John's and we are inseparable now. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for, and one more thing I wanted to tell you, I'm working as an assistant to the CEO. It's a mutual fund company, JM Financial. I worked as an assistant to the CEO. So that is my professional life. And I think that's it. I have one more friend who's joining here, Anil Radhakrishnan.
Yes.
Anybody would like to say something? Someone who missed out something? Okay, Nigeria.
You have to call up home to confirm how many dates is.
Good afternoon, friends. Am I clear? Yeah. Good afternoon to you. It's good to see our teachers and our friends after a long, long time. I'm sorry that I've not been able to participate in the many meetings that you've had organizing this, but it's a wonderful one. And I would like to take the opportunity to thank our teachers. You all served your time, your generation well. Where we are today is all because of you. I'm working at present as a quality analyst in a BPO. And I've got a son who's 8. My wife, she's a homemaker. And girlfriends, I've gotten plenty. Yeah.
Your wife is not here.
Pardon?
Your wife is not here. You can go on.
Yeah, that's why I'm taking the liberty.
Okay, let's be in touch.
Especially remember, my class teachers. We had Mrs. Arora as a class teacher. Good afternoon to you, ma'am. We had Mrs. Sethi as a class teacher. Good afternoon to you. And Mrs. Radha. Thank you so much. That's about it. Thank you so much for making it here today. Thank you.
I think we should give a round of applause for our teachers. So.
I need to make an announcement. What we are missing is we have not thanked Justin enough. We should thank Justin, give her a big round of applause for whatever she has done.
I would like to say something which I have been waiting to say since many days. One person who has always been, you can call her as a main server. That's Justin. Anybody you want to contact, just tell Justin. Justin is contact her and she has it. She's like a server, the main person, the hub. And because of her, I think I have always been in contact and had one of the best friends possible. And it's been possible to keep in contact with all these people because I'm the only one who's coming from Dombivli. Totally from a different line as such. And it's really applaudable that all of them have worked so much. And I think it was a great day. She has been like the main pole around which we have all been revolving.
Yes, Justine from Malad.
Thank you very much, Justin.
Thank you very much. We'll have a 2-minute silence for the teachers who are no more with us. So can we have a 2-minute silence for teachers?
Anyway, thank you for you to remember that many of our friends left us, and I would like to mention their names. Mr. D'Souza, who was a chemistry teacher in your classes, and Mr. Mistry. I think Mistry is a teacher for everybody. And Mr. Romaldo, he was in our along with us, and Mrs. Jessie Gomes, you remember?
She was teaching class 1.
Class 1, she was a, and another one is
Professor Verma.
Mr. Verma. Anybody else? Mrs. Iyer, who was with us.
Mary Joseph.
Mrs. Mary Joseph. Albert Joseph's mother. So anyway, everybody has to go once. We are also all old enough. Anytime we are expecting the passport.
She says so many doctors are
Delayed.
For that, doctors cannot stop it. That is inevitable. It has to happen. Anyway, we observe 1 minute silence to remember these people and pray to the God. And trust their life in peace, soul in peace. Thank you.
Dear friends, after this, we're going to have a school anthem which has really inspired us. We remember lots of it. I don't know whether we remember everything, but let's try. Give it a try. Let's all sing together our school anthem. School anthem. Yeah.